Arduino, as we know it, is the popular open-source electronics platform based on easy-to-use hardware and software. Over the years, Arduino has been the brain of thousands of projects, from everyday objects to complex scientific instruments. It has gained a massive following with a worldwide community of makers, students, hobbyists, programmers, and professionals. With the growing popularity of the Internet of Things and the adoption of public cloud infrastructure by the IT community, the next logical step for the makers of Arduino was to offer a platform that allows Arduino-based hardware to integrate seamlessly with the cloud. Thus was born the Arduino IoT Cloud. The core tenets of the Arduino IoT Cloud platform are that it is easy for beginners and fast for professionals. It is based on the Arduino environment, which we are all familiar with. It is geared to allowing you to quickly build remote sensor monitoring using widgets, and you are allowed the flexibility to easily connect to a spreadsheet, database, or trigger automated alerts using webhooks. It is also secure and robust in that devices are secured using X509 certificate-based authentication, more on that a little bit later on, and it is based on open hardware and open IoT standards. In order to take advantage of the platform, you will need a maker board. Options include the Maker 1000, which has Wi-Fi built in, or the newer Maker 1010, which has both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities built in. Other variations of these boards will soon be available, and even open source options will soon flood the market. The prices of open source clones of these boards will become less over time. Currently, the original Arduino Maker 1000 and the newer Arduino Maker 1010 runs for about $34. These are still very affordable boards. Either of these boards can be used for this course. These boards were designed to enable easy prototyping of Internet of Things projects that connect seamlessly and securely with the cloud using the Arduino IoT Cloud platform. In order to use the Arduino IoT Cloud platform, you will need to first sign up for an Arduino IoT Cloud account, which is free. We will walk through this process later on. The Arduino IoT Cloud platform allows you to get your device up and running quickly, connect it to a Wi-Fi network, and then communicate with it from anywhere using the cloud. You can then prototype your IoT applications and use widgets to easily create a user interface, allowing you to monitor and remotely control your device. Later on in the course, we will go through the process of setting up a device and will build projects from scratch, so you will become a pro at these concepts. But before we dive into the hardware and setup, in the next lesson, we are going to review a few of the Arduino IoT Cloud components and terminology. In this way, you will understand the ecosystem of IoT as we build out our IoT applications.